This video of mine that got 100,000 views and 5,000 leads cost me less than 2 cents to make and took like a minute to put together. And as you can see, it still has people commenting, asking for the product, and actually generating sales. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to recreate videos like these, how to get UGC clips for cents, and how to film a product demo that actually converts. Now, before I show you all of that, let me tell you why this video actually worked. Here's the video I edited on CapCut, and as you can see, there are only 4 parts: the audio, the demo clip, the hook clip, and the hook text. Now, let me explain each of them one by one. First, the hook text. This is basically what gets the viewer to pay attention, to stop the scroll, and keep watching. The reason this one worked is because of 2 things. First, it mentions content creation resource, which resonates with people who are interested in content creation. It's like softly calling out your audience, because saying if you're a content creator doesn't work anymore, right? In 2021, that used to work. Now you have to make it kind of discreet, and this is a better way of doing it. Second is because it says 10,000 hours put in to make this resource doc, which actually gives the doc much more value. It's like social hacking, right? To drive in the point into your head, let me give you an example. This could be said that this resource was made by Alex Hormozy, right? Because think about it. Would you read a document, my dog wrote it, right? If I said that my dog made a content creation resource, you probably wouldn't care. But if I said this resource was made by Alex Hormozy, you would know that it's valuable. Same goes here. If someone reads that this resource took 10,000 hours to put together, someone invested so much time, it's definitely going to be good. And that's what makes the person to watch and actually desire the product. Another thing is the hook video. As you can see, this girl is looking suspicious or thinking suspicious about the product. She's pretty, good makeup, good lighting, and it looks super organic. It's not a studio filmed, it's simple video filmed with an iPhone. And I'll show you how to get these videos for cheap in a bit, but bear with me. That's why it works. The text is simple, it's native to the short form content. The hook is too, and the same with the demo. The demo is super simple. I did not even record it on my PC. I used my phone to record the screen, which is what you need to do. You need to keep the demo familiar to the viewer, right? If it looks highly produced, people will know it's an ad. But now it looks like this girl actually filmed it. She took her phone, she filmed herself, filmed the screen of her computer, and added a hook. That's what we want. And the demo is super simple as well. All I do is showcase the product. What you want with your demos is to show the payoff as soon as possible. Here I show all the value in the document. What you would do is show what your product, your app does. For example, you're a traveling agency, traveling app, right? What you would do is film a demo with another phone and you click 1 or 2 steps maximum till the payoff comes. Because you're not making a tutorial. You're not making videos for your existing users. You're making it for new people. That's what all the biggest apps do. Creo, Polymarket, right? Whatever it is. It doesn't show the complex stuff that you need to get that result. No, it shows what you get from that result. Because again, you're not making a video for people who know your app. They don't. That's why you only showcase the best parts, right? The tutorial comes at the second step of the funnel. The deeper into the funnel the person goes, the more they find out about the app, they learn more about it, right? First they just hear it, then they see it, then they learn about it. So don't overcomplicate it. Don't make the demo super difficult. Just film it naturally as if you were filming a video to your mom explaining how it works. Cut out all the fluff, show how it works, the result, the best part that everyone wants, and curiosity, everything else will do the work. People will ask for the product as they did here, and they keep doing that, as you can see, 7 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, and it will work. Now, how do you get these high quality clips of pretty girls, pretty men that you can use for organic content without paying hundreds of dollars for UGC creators? Well, there's this app called UGCdrop.com, which is exactly where I got these clips from. What it does is provide you with UGC style clips that you can use for your own marketing. As you can see, this is the same girl that I used. It has a bunch of different creators, over 2,000 videos, and they keep adding more. What you can do is just go here, filter by real or AI, age, maybe crying, and you'll find all kinds of videos that you can use for your video hooks. All you do is just download the videos, you put them together with a demo. So for example, you would do something like this. You add a text hook. For example, I spent $2,000 on a content creation course. before finding this. And that's it. You have a video done. Literally, look how quickly I did this video. I downloaded it from here. I put together demo, audio, and hook, and that's it. Now, if you want a list of a lot of TikTok audios that I use, I have hundreds of them. Comment down below and I'll share it with you. And this is exactly what got this video of mine pretty viral. It's still generating leads that will keep paying me money because they enter the funnel that sells them a low ticket product and gets them on a subscription for other of my products like VidCloner, TickleMate, whatever it is. Now, of course, not all videos will pop off. As you can see, one has 1,000 views, others have 200, 400. But if you keep posting and creating these high quality videos, you have high chance of striking gold. But that's not all. As you can see, the reason I can make a lot of money from these videos is because all the comments are automated. Whenever someone asks for the link, a conversation with them immediately starts. First, I send a document that they have to purchase. Then I send automated DMs that ask them questions to further see their issues and either provide another product of my own or just close the chat. So if you want to see how to actually automate these comments for free to convert a lot more people and keep them in your churning machine, then let me know down in the comments below and I'll make the guide. Now again, these videos, you can get them on ugcdrop.com. I'll leave the link in the description, and if you want this content creation resource guide as well, I'll leave it in the description as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.